Hi guys, this is Karina. So I am back with another video tutorial on my template 8. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this hibiscus flower using my template 8, which is the one shown here. We are going to do slightly a smaller version of her, but pretty much we're going to follow the same technique if you want to create different sizes. This one right here in front of you is roughly around 15 inches, but the one today that we are going to be making, she is roughly around 10-11 inches, depending again how you space your petals and whatnot. But again, just follow the same technique with the petals if you want to create larger or smaller sizes. So obviously the larger petals you use, the larger your flower will be. The smaller the petals, the smaller will be. So let me go ahead and show you guys what template 8 looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put her to the side. So this is what template 8 looks like. So you will be receiving 13 petals with this purchase. So you can find either the PDF or hard copy template on my template website, www.arielelisedesigns.com. So again, she does come with 13 petals, different sizes, and then you do get a little tiny little cutie. So for that first flower that I showed you, which was the roughly around 15 inches, I did use, so not the first 3, but I did use the 4th, the 5th, and the 6 petals, and I just did 5 of each. But today we are going to be making, like I said, roughly around a 10-11 inches, and this is just going to be a 2-layer flower. The first one I showed you was 3 layers, but again, it's to your preference. If you want 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, up to you. I just wanted to keep it at 2 and 3. So we're going to be doing this one today, and I will be sharing with you guys the name of the image for the Hibiscus Center. If you have the official Cricut, I will give you the name of the center at the end. Okay, and I would just share with you an alternative center if you don't have the Cricut machine. I do want to mention though that this template does have another video tutorial on another style flower on my YouTube channel, Ariel Elise Designs. So I do share with you guys another video there of another style that I pretty much do all the time. So if you want to check that video out on her on my template 8. Okay, so let's get started. So you are going to need not the first little petal, but you are going to need the second and third petals, and you're going to need 5 of each. Now I did trace mine onto cardstock. I do recommend cardstock for this style flower, or even a thicker cover stock would actually work as well. So the one I am using today, I do have it. It is called, this is actually from Michael's, so here's, so you can take a look. It is 65 pound weight, so I am using today the Summer Days color. It does come in a pack of 50, so again, this is from Michael's. So this is the cardstock I am using today. So here are my petals. They're already prepped, -1, because I'm going to show you guys how to prep it, which is super simple. So you are going to need something to curl with. You guys know I love my wooden dowels. So pretty much you're going to grab your petal. You're just going to curl them back like that. That's it. Okay, so you're going to do this to all of them. You are then going to get your scissors. So I am using my Westcott Carbo Titanium. You can get these, well, I've purchased mine from Walmart and from Amazon. So I'm sure probably other craft stores might have them, but these are seriously the best. So you are going to cut in the center, just like this. Glue gun, I am using my Sure Bonder Mini Detailed Glue Gun. I'm going to give it a little dot of glue. Pinch. And voila. So you are going to do this to all your petals, guys, okay? So let's get started. We are going to get started the same way I always do for the most part, which is you're going to adding a dot of glue, and we are going to go around in a circle. And remember, you just do a little tiny dot of glue at those ends just in case if our spacing is a little funky. You can just pick up that piece of petal. So there we go. So this is what you should have. We need to cover this hole. So you're going to have to cut a circle using the same color as your flower. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously my circle's a little funky. And then you are just going to go around. And apologies if you hear me sniffling. I woke up this morning. My allergies, oh my gosh, are off the wall today. So there you go. We are done with that first layer. So now you're on to your last layer, which should be your smallest one. And you're going to do the same thing. Now I am just going to do a little bit of glue on the right hand side of the petal. And then now we're just going to place that in between. And then go around. And just go in between that first layer. Such a simple flower to make. So remember how I said a little bit on the right hand side, because this right here is not glued. That's because we're going to tuck that last petal underneath right there. And now I am going to secure this. A little bit of glue. Fold. Voila, that's it guys. Super simple, you know. And she used to be my go-to, this template 8, not this style flower, but I used, if you check out my video on YouTube, I share with you guys my flower style that I used to do a lot with her. I don't know why I've stopped using her. It's just I have so many templates guys now, so you know, she was one of the first ones that I created like almost 4 years ago. So, you know, sadly I forgot about her, but I was actually wanting to create another tropical kind of inspired set. And I came upon this watercolor image of hibiscus flowers, and somewhat their petal shape was similar to my template 8. So I was like, you know what? Let me try to recreate her, and it actually turned out super cute. So anyways, now on to the center. So like I mentioned, I did use my Cricut to cut the center out for the hibiscus center. So if you have the Cricut machine, here is the names. So I typed in hibiscus. Now when you type in hibiscus under the search, you are going to get back a lot of hibiscus images, okay? So to make it easier, I did type in hibiscus, and it's under the cartridge, life is a beach. Okay, so again, this hibiscus center is under the cartridge name, life is a beach. Okay, if you want the number is M31DDD. So again, hibiscus, and then it's under the cartridge, life is a beach. Now, when you see this image on your Cricut, it's not going to look like this. It's going to look like a flower with 2 leaves in the center. What I did was I ungrouped the image. Once I had it onto my design space, I ungrouped it, I removed the leaves, and I removed the flower. So the only thing I wanted was the center. So once I separated them, I just stretched them so you're able to manipulate the sizing as you want. And this is what I got. Super simple, guys. And then just pretty much, you're just gonna glue that in the center, and then you're gonna, the pistil in the center, you're gonna glue that as well, and voila. Super cute, right? And super easy. Now, if you don't have the Cricut, and well, obviously you're not going to be able to cut this center out, but if you wanted another alternative, now it's not a hibiscus center, but my go-to center that is hand cut is a palm template. So I have made this flower before without the hibiscus center, with the palm center, and it's super duper cute. So that is another alternative, that if you don't have the Cricut machine and you want to create another center, a cute little palm center is honestly my go-to, and they're so cute. Now with this one, I did a lot of them. I believe I cut, how many sheets? 3 cardstock sheets, and I folded each sheet in 4ths. So at the end I had 12 strips. And then, you know, I just did the palm, I cut them and then rolled them, and voila, I had a palm. So yes, I hope that was helpful. I hope that wasn't hard for you guys. I wanted to create this super easy, you know, inspired hibiscus flower for you guys. So if you want to give it a go, again, my template, you can find her at www.arielelisedesigns.com. She does come, like I mentioned, 13 petals. Again, this is just an option of what you can do with her. If you want to see another video inspired or video tutorial on another style flower, go to my YouTube channel, arielelisedesigns.com. I do have another flower style in mind that I've done before with this template as well. Not too sure when that video will be released, but do keep an eye on that video. And all right, guys, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.